Chers élèves de français 1, bonjour. Comment allez-vous ce matin? Alors, pour aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer à pratiquer l'oral. Today, we are going to continue to practice your end of the year oral. And also, to help you, you are going to do some reading. First of all, I want to say that you all did a good job with your recording. And please take the time to read my comments. Before your recording today, read my comments so that you can correct the mispronunciation. Some of the points where you have mispronunciation are here. When you say latin, you say that some of you said je préfère le latin. Very often you are going to pronounce here tin, you are going to say Latin. It's Latin. And think about bench and bank. You say it's the same un. Latin. Think of bench, bank. Also, a mistake that I've heard is j'aime. Some of you, they make a pause after the J, but you don't. You read it as if it was one word. J'aime. J'aime. Other one is the final E. Remember that you don't pronounce the final E. Example. Je regarde. Je mange. So think about a word like challenge. You see, when I say challenge, I stop at J. I don't say challenger. I say challenge. So you see that here I choose challenge because this word exists in French too. Okay, so we have that in French. And challenge, we will say challenge. But the end, what is important here is the end of the word, because you have E and you pronounce it challenge. Challenge, and the J at the end. It's the same thing when you say je regarde. You see, I don't pronounce the E. And some of you say je regardais. No, there's no accent here. There's no accent. Je mange. D'accord? And another one is the E, A. This one. A. Don't pronounce the T. When you say et, it doesn't mean anything. So you have to read it as if it was A with accent. As if it was this. Okay? You have to read it as if it was A, like this. A, no et. D'accord? Another example of the mispronunciation that I found. It was recurrent. A lot of you made these mistakes. That's why I'm taking the time to explain. Another one is when you say A, and some of you will pronounce the S here. They will say est. No, you cannot say that. This one, it's verb être, you know it, and it's pronounced again, A. D'accord? It's pronounced exactly the same. A. Okay? So these two, A meaning and A meaning il est, you pronounce it A, the same. Okay? So another one. Some of you, they say nous allons. and they pronounce the S. You don't pronounce the S. The S is silent. Nous allons, and you say allons because you connect that too. This is normal, but here you don't say nous allons. You say nous allons. D'accord? Another one. It was j'habite. When you say j'habite avec the question with où habites-tu? And you say j'habite. J'habite. And here, some of you, they say je habite. No, the H here is not pronounced. It's silent. So you are going to say j'habite, like one word. J'habite. J'habite. D'accord? Bien. Let's go back to what you have to do for today. So today you are going to record your question, your answers. Please, you can record also the corrections of the questions, the answers you recorded last time, to make sure that you pronounce them properly, correctly. And also answer some of the questions you didn't provide answers last time. Okay, because the goal is to finish all these questions, to find an answer for all these questions before Wednesday, June 3rd. You know, it's the day of your oral. Some other thing that you are going to do today is to read a text. So I'm going to show you the text you are going to read. No, it's not here. The text you are going to read is somewhere here. If I don't make a mistake, no. Lecture. Voila. So the text you are going to read is this one. But before I'm going to read it for you, I'm going to read it two or three times before, 2 times before you read it and you record it while you are reading. Okay? Bien. So let's start with the questions. I'm going to read your questions again. Your questions again. Bonjour. Tu étudies le français? Comment s'appelle ton prof de maths? Qu'est-ce que tu préfères, le latin ou le français? Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce que tu étudies au lycée? Quel cours aimes-tu? Pourquoi? Quel cours est-ce que tu détestes? Pourquoi? Quel jour sommes-nous? For this one, give the full date of today, not only a part of it. Est-ce que tu as un examen cette semaine? Quel jour? À quelle heure? 9. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire après l'école? 10. Excuse-moi, je ne me suis pas présenté. Excuse-moi, je ne me suis pas présenté. Je m'appelle Claude. Et toi? 11. Présente-moi ta famille. Comment est ta mère? Your classmate lost his notebook. He asks you where it is. Say in French the question he asks you. 13. You respond in French that the notebook is under his chair. 14. 14, pardon. Je vous ai dit lisez les nombres en français. 14. Ton prof de biologie n'est pas intéressant, il est. 15. Ton meilleur ami habite en Angleterre. Il est. Et toi, Quel est ton pays? Où habites-tu? 17. Avec qui habites-tu? 18. Où est-ce que tu vas aller pendant le week-end? 19. Say that during the weekend you and your friends are going to visit the city. Tell 3 different places you are going to go. 20. Monsieur Martin travaille à l'hôpital. Il est? Voilà. Maintenant, je vais lire le texte. So listen carefully. Bonjour, je m'appelle Frédéric Durand. J'ai 14 ans. J'habite à Paris avec ma famille. Je suis élève de 3e au collège. J'étudie beaucoup, mais je n'étudie pas tout le temps. Voici ce que j'aime faire. J'aime les fêtes parce que j'adore danser. J'aime la musique, j'aime surtout le rock, le rap et le reggae. J'aime le sport. En hiver, je fais du snowboard et en été, je nage et je fais du tennis. Je vais lire une deuxième fois. I'm going to read it one more time. Bonjour, je m'appelle Frédéric Durand. J'ai 14 ans. J'habite à Paris avec ma famille. Je suis élève de 3e au collège. J'étudie beaucoup, mais je n'étudie pas tout le temps. Voici ce que j'aime faire. J'aime les fêtes parce que j'adore danser. J'aime la musique. J'aime surtout le rock, le rap et le reggae. J'aime le sport. En hiver, je fais du snowboard et en été, je nage et je fais du tennis. Voilà. So now when you are done recording everything, your question, your answers and the text, don't forget your exit ticket and tutorial this afternoon from 3 to 4. Voilà. Bonne journée à tous.